Here's the latest Plecto update. You can now add filters to the dashboard itself and not just formulas. And here's how. There are two types of filters. The first type is dashboard filters. These are global defaults that apply to the entire dashboard. You can create them in settings by going to the Filters tab. All data sources currently in use will appear in a list. Select a field from one of them and add the filter. Now, all the widgets that use this data source will inherit the filter and reload. The second type is drill-down filters. They're intended for exploring data without editing anything on the dashboard, and you don't need to be an admin to access them. Your global admin just needs to set up a menu of filter options for you to use. To create a drill-down menu, go to Settings, Filters, scroll down and click Configure. Here, you can choose which fields to make available. For text fields, you can also specify which field values the viewer should be able to choose from. Save the drill-down filters, save the settings, and the filter options will now be available from the dashboard menu. The dashboard viewer can drill into the data and even share what they filtered by copying the URL. So get started with filters in your dashboards today to gain a more dynamic dashboard experience. Besides being time-saving, they will also make data more accessible for everyone in your organization.